anti-doping agency.
We now have quorum.
National Assembly Majority Leader Aden Duale kicked off the proceedings by moving a procedural motion to have the number of days for the bill's publication reduced from 14 to 7.
The consequences of this House not considering this bill in a timely manner is banning our athletes from participating in international sports.
But most legislators first demanded to know why the anti-doping law was rejected and who was to blame for the embarrassment the country was subjected to when the World Anti-Doping Agency declared the country non-compliant and put at risk Kenya's participation in the Rio Olympics later this year.
We discussed, like many other bills, that bill without a committee report. And we relied solely on what the leader of the majority explained to us, what was needed through the World Anti-Doping Agency, so that we confirm. And it must be that either members were not really quite clear, because otherwise this was something so important to the country that we should have passed.
The chair of the Labour and Social Welfare Committee, David Were, defended his committee against any blame, heaping the mess on government agencies.
The information that we were given was that the bill that was before us was actually the document that had been negotiated with WADA, which they were referring to as Draft 7. So we did not have any opportunity to go backwards and ask them to make available the actual document that had been negotiated. We were made to believe that the document that we were having, the bill that was before the House, was actually the WADA agreed document.
At no time did our committee or this House remove any of the amendments that have been proposed in this particular bill. They were not there from the beginning. The bill that we received from the ministry and from the AG did not contain them.
Parliament also queried why WADA seemed so intent on policing Kenya, while other countries are also on WADA's watch list and do not have anti-doping policy.
The international organization should also treat Kenya fairly. Why keep on sort of threatening and focusing on Kenya as if we are the only country that doesn't have these regulations? There are close to 200 states that participate in these competitions. I'm told it's only about 10 of them that have passed this anti-doping law.
The amendment bill will be tabled before the Committee of the Whole House this afternoon for deliberations and eventually to the third reading for approval by the House. It will subsequently be submitted to the President for assent in compliance with the World Anti-Doping Agency requirements. Reporting for Citizen Live at 1, I'm Waihiga Mwaura.